guys, so it's checkout day. I figured that I would do like a quick room tour before we leave because we didn't do one yet. We got upgraded to a car suite at our Animation. So when you first walk in, I mean, the theming here, I know, like, I watch vlogs on this all the time. I just figured we'd never stay here since cars isn't really our thing. I mean, I love it, but when you first walk in, there's this huge table that pulls out into a, I think I would say a queen size bed. I'm not gonna pull it out all the way because we are leaving, but I just wanted to show you. It's like a cute, like, sleeping tometer. I love it so much, so cute. It has like a little light in there too for over the bed. Again, this is lived in, so we stayed here for 3 days. So this is the first bathroom when you walk in. Towards your right, this is the bath and shower in here. It also has a toilet, and then so cute. I mean, this place is huge too. I wasn't expecting it to be this big. Let me shut this window. But this is another bed. This is another bed in here. This is another bed in here. This is where my daughter and my mother-in-law slept most of the time. It seemed to be pretty comfortable. They did have to ask for a blanket because we couldn't find the extra blankets for the other beds. And these lights are so cute. All the pictures. I mean, everything is so well done and doesn't look like cheap or anything, which I thought maybe for the value suite it might be, but you know, no, it's awesome. And this is like so cute. It's huge. And then this like little stand-up closet here, ton of pillows. And then over here is like the big bedroom. It has like a door that locks and everything. And we couldn't hear anything out in the other part of the rooms, which is awesome. Then here is this with a safe. You have like you have I guess these are dry cleaning sheets. I don't even know. And then these are it's an ironing board. Here is the dresser here. It's really bright outside. And then here's the bed. Like I said, I mean, everything is just so nice in here. The floors have like the little cozy coons on them. Oh my god. And then when you come in here, this is like the big bed. This is the big bathroom. It's kind of the same as the other one, like the Spiffy and a Jiffy, and it's a car wash theme. And then there's the full shower. Again, huge shower. I'll open it up so you guys can see inside of it. This is so cute with all the bubbles. A toilet, of course, and then so that's like the full room tour. We had a lot of fun here. We loved staying here. It was so awesome to get the upgrade, and we hope to be able to come back one day.